The R36MAX Handheld Game Console offers a delightful retro gaming experience with its extensive library of over 18,000 classic games pre-installed, eliminating the need for additional downloads. Equipped with a 4-inch IPS high-definition display, this console provides vibrant colors and sharp details that enhance the visual experience of your favorite games. Powered by a high-performance quad-core processor, the R36MAX ensures smooth gameplay and responsive controls, making it a joy to use for both casual and hardcore gamers. The upgraded 4,000 milliampere-hour lithium battery allows for over 6 hours of uninterrupted gaming, perfect for long trips or extended play sessions without frequent recharging. Its compact size makes it highly portable, fitting easily into a pocket or backpack, while the inclusion of high-quality speakers and a headphone jack ensures an immersive gaming experience. With a 64 gigabyte memory card included and dual card slots for expansion up to 512 gigabytes, the console offers ample storage for all your favorite games.